Most job seekers in 2025 are still using outdated CV templates, even though recruiters are now using AI to filter through applications. So why are you still writing your CV the old way? Today, I'm going to show you how to flip the game by using a free AI tool that designs, writes, and optimizes your CV better than most professionals can. We are going to use a tool called Tailor, which is a free, super intuitive AI CV builder to create this stunning resume right here. It's modern, ATS optimized, and tailored to jobs you actually want. Here's what we'll cover real quick. 1. How to recreate your CV using Tailor. 2. How to design it in seconds. 3. How to optimize it for the ATS and add strong bullet points. 4. How to tailor your CV to any job description. 5. How to write a cover letter with AI. And 6. How to track all your job applications to avoid awkward moments when you get that surprise call. And if you stick around till the end, I'll also show you a clever way to turn this video into a quick side hustle and earn you money. Let's get into it. First, head to the link in the description below and sign up for a free Tailor account. No credit card needed. You will then land on a page with options to sign up with Google, LinkedIn, or email. Choose whatever works best. I'm using Google for speed. You'll now get 4 quick questions to personalize your account. 1. What's driving your career move? Select whatever fits. 2. Where do you need the most help? Select improving my resume. 3. When would you like to start a new job? Choose as soon as possible if you're actively looking. And last but not least, what job title are you targeting? Type it in, don't overthink, for you can change this later. Then hit continue. Most people stall here, but once you're through this part, you'll never write a CV from scratch again. The next screen will ask if you want to import your resume or LinkedIn. Skip that, I'll show you a faster way to import a bit later in the video. Also skip the tour, for I'll walk you through it anyway. At the top, you will see the Content tab. This is your main workspace. Here, you can add and edit every part of your CV, summary, work experience, skills, education, all of it. Scroll down and you'll see all available sections neatly laid out. Let's save some time. If you already have an existing CV, here's how to bring it in. 1. Click the 3-line sandwich menu at the top right. Then, choose Import Resume or LinkedIn. You'll get a pop-up asking if you want to merge with your current resume. Click Merge. Then, upload your existing CV from your computer or drag and drop it into the box. Tailor will scan and extract the content, which will take about a minute, then everything will appear in your content editor. You just saved yourself hours of formatting, but now let's even make it even better. Scroll to your professional summary section, hover and click the plus sign. Now click Write with AI. Tailor will generate a clean, tailored summary based on your job title and experience. If you like it, hit save or regenerate for a new version. Let's go to work experience. To add a bullet point, click the Add Bullet button below any job. You can either type it manually or hit Write with AI again. Once AI suggests a bullet, just click Use Bullet and it's added instantly. You can also delete any existing bullet and replace it with a stronger one. To add a new job, click the plus sign next to work experience. Fill in the following fields: company name, company description, role title, job description, location, and dates. If this is your current job, tick that box. Then click Continue at the bottom. Tip: don't skip the company description, for it adds great context to where you work. Also, remember you can refine your job bullet descriptions later using the method I've already shown you. Now go to the Designer tab. Click Browse Template Library and preview different layout styles. Choose one you like. It updates your resume instantly. And just like that, you have a professional resume visual format. But it doesn't end there. There are more tools to ensure your CV doesn't get lost in applications. If you found this video useful so far, like and subscribe to this channel. Now hit the Analyzer tab. Till gives you your CV a score based on resume structure, measurable results, keyword usage. Mine scores 72%. It shows 8 issues, but they are blurred unless I upgrade to Till Plus, which I've done before to optimize my CV. If you want the full breakdown, upgrade to Till Plus. It's super affordable. Their rates are $9 a week, which is about 1,000 Kenya shillings, or $29 a month, which is about 3,000 Kenya shillings, or $79 for 3 months, which is about 10,000 Kenya shillings. These options are great for CV writers or side hustlers. You just need 1 or 2 clients and you've made your money back, but more on that later. Next, click on the Job Matcher tab. Let's take an example of the entry-level marketing manager job from a job site. Copy the job ad, then paste it into the Job Matcher required fields and click Match Job. You will get a match score. Mine is 30%. This helps you to tailor a CV to a specific job description. To see all keywords and recommendations to do that, you will need to upgrade to Till Plus. Till also writes cover letters. Click on the Cover Letter tab and click Write with AI. Choose the length, which is short, medium or long. Till writes it based on your resume plus the job ad you had selected. Once it's done, copy and paste into a Word document and this will become your cover letter. Note, AI generation tokens are limited on this free plan. You may need to upgrade to a suitable plan to use this feature often. Now I'll walk you through exporting your resume. On the top right, click Export PDF. You can either download your resume only, your cover letter only, or both together. And since we already have our cover letter, we are going to select Resume Only. After choosing Resume Only, you'll get a final check screen. Hit Export and your resume downloads instantly. Here is how it looks. Clean, modern, professional. Imagine walking into an interview with this. Way better than Word documents from 2012. Now to the last step, tracking the jobs you apply to. Go to the Trackers tab and you'll see sample job entries, including one we matched earlier. To add a new job, click Add New Job, that button to input the job title, the company, the link, the application date, and even the notes, e.g. salary expectations, interview dates. This tool has been super helpful to me to help me track all the jobs I'm applying to, move them through the particular stages, and also to have a record of the job description. It's not uncommon in this market to receive a call for a job you have totally forgotten. This tool will help you remember that job and everything you said about it. Thanks for watching this video to the end, and here's your reward as I promised. Instead of complaining or viewing that Till HQ is expensive, you can use the tool to start a freelance CV service. 1. You can offer AI-powered resume help on online platforms such as Fiverr or Upwork or Instagram and get clients, or you can help your friends or strangers improve their CVs and get paid. Do the math. Even if you charge $9 for a CV, which is the cheapest tier for a week, Till Plus pays for itself and will give you good profits in just a couple of clients. And there we go. If this video helped, hit subscribe, like, and let me know in the comments what tutorial you want next. And don't forget to use the link in the description to get started for free on Till HQ. See you in the next one.